So the stimulus check is coming in the mail or in your bank account, and I have another way of how you can use the stimulus check other than paying for bills. Yes, so basically I'm thinking about this. With the stimulus check, how would you like to invest into something that can potentially make you more money? How about that? Well, in this video here, I'm going to show you just a way of where you can invest your money and then invest into cryptocurrency or stocks or assets, and then you can take that $1,400 or even not all of it, maybe half of it, maybe let's say $700, and put it in something that can make more money. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Let's go ahead and dive into this content for more edutainment information that's going to help you grow each and every single day, can help your channel, can help your business, and help your mindset. So let's go ahead and dive into this content. Now, I'm going to show you my screen, and this is called Gemini Exchange, and this is a way of how you can invest into cryptocurrencies that you see here: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, just a few, and then you can potentially make more money. So think about this today. I'm gonna look at one. I'm gonna look at the most highest one today, and I'm gonna show you this. So prime example here. Let's say Decentraland. Decentraland is up 28.66%. and it's only worth 55 cents. Now, if you don't have a Gemini account already, click on the link below so you can get a Gemini account so you can start investing right now. So if you click on here, if I click on view details, Decentraland is worth 56 cents, right? So if I bought 700 of that, and if I put review order, I will own this amount of Gemini, or excuse me, this amount of Decentraland from Gemini Exchange. And then with Decentraland, it's going up. So I'm just showing you an example of how this kind of works. Invest into something that potentially can make more money. Take $600, $500, or even $700, and I'm just saying half of it. $1,400, maybe use half of it on bills and other things, maybe charities, and then the other half, use it to invest to make more money. So if I took that $700 in there, all of a sudden now I have an investment. Now I say, you know what? I put my $700 in something like Decentraland. This is just an example, not really financial advice at all. Just an example. What I would do is just take this, invest into something that can make you more money. And then check this out. If you go ahead and invest in something like Decentraland, you can actually put it into the earned interest account. So now your profits or your investment can become more of an investment because you can earn interest along the way. So you can take Decentraland. Let's see if I can find Decentraland. You can find Decentraland and you can earn interest. And this is actually the percentage of the actual annual yield percentage that you'll be earning. So basically invest in something like this Decentraland. It's only got 55 cents. It doesn't have to be Decentraland. It could be any of these cryptocurrencies, and then you can take that and really grow your actually business, your profits, your investment. So this is just an example. I did a video earlier about starting a business with your stimulus check, earning commissions with that business. Now I'm saying, hey, if you don't want to start a business, how about investing into cryptocurrencies, and then you can actually have the opportunity to actually make profits in the long term. Some of this stuff could be short term, some of it could be long term. So you want to do your research before you go ahead and invest in anything like this. Now, one more thing I want to show you is that when you go on Gemini, what I like about Gemini, you can actually do some good research on Gemini. So prime example, just give one more example, like Orchard. I really like Orchard because I like the project. I like some of the use cases that it does have. And it's a project that's been going up and down, but it's up today. So let's say I put $500 on Orchard. I just leave it in there. I just sit it in there. And my price target for Orchard is $1. Think about that. So $1 is my price target for Orchard. So I put $500 in there. I wait till it gets to $1. It's worth $1,000, even more than $1,000. So my $500 is turned to $1,000 because I'm waiting on a price target. Then, just like I showed you earlier, you can put that in an earned interest account. So now I can start earning interest while you sleep, while you're at work, while you swim in the pool, while you even outside just hanging out with the dog, anything like that. So that's what I wanted to show you. And then the research, you can do your research from Gemini Exchange. What I like about Gemini, I'm a Gemini master. I'm your Gemini master today in investing using your stimulus check. So you can actually go here and read about the actually asset. You can go to their website, you can go to the white paper, and then also more information about that particular asset. And then you can also look at the charts and see what has been going for the last 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, or even 3 months, and you can see where it's going. So, for example, put something in the orchard, let it sit there, let it grow over time, and then you can make a decision on what you want to do with that next. Okay, if you don't have a Gemini account, click on the link below to get started. You get some free Bitcoin when you get started with Gemini today. Use your stimulus check. If it's not there already, if you have it right now, or start planning to invest. 2021 is the year of investing. It's the year of investing. So take advantage of some of these assets on Gemini and go ahead and let it grow for you. Let the asset grow. And by the way, on Gemini, you can actually download the application on the mobile device as well. You can do that by going to the Play Store. So I have a Android, and so I can go right to here and download Gemini. I'm gonna show you real fast. Gemini, right? So I got Gemini right here. I got Gemini. See the logo? See, there it is. The mark and everything like that. So you just go to your Play Store, type in Gemini. You can start checking go ahead and buy your stuff as well. So use Gemini today. I love Gemini. It's very simple and really easy to use. It's a good platform to invest for beginners using that stimulus check. All right, my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget, click on the link below, sign up for your free Gemini Exchange, and get some free Bitcoin. Let's grow in 2021. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.